All right, what I want to do is review the projects for 492W. Again, those are our assignments. Again, since we're doing this as a business, these would be projects that need to be completed. So I'll go through them briefly, and then there'll be actual rubric reviews throughout the term before each of the projects are due with specifics. All right, project one, when we talk about that, P1 is going to be those quizzes. There'll be 15 total quizzes throughout the semester. So you're going to have the 2 pre-quizzes right away that are worth 10 points. And then you'll have 10 quizzes over readings from textbooks, again, due on those Mondays. And then 3 response quizzes throughout the term. Again, they're all worth 10 points. So you can see this is 30% of your total grade. Real simple. If you just stay up with these quizzes, and what it does is it rewards people for doing the readings, doing some of the workshops and things, active learning within the lectures, then not only do you set yourself up for success for the projects, but you set yourself up for success with your grade. Okay, project 2 then is going to be our CPD, Continuing Professional Development, where you will search and share on the discussion board research over the CPD topic for that week. Again, these are 4 points each, 10% of your total grade. So again, like the quizzes, just need to chip away at this. It's real simple. You'll go to the CPD topic that we're talking about that Monday and that you've read about and done the online quizzes over. You'll pick one of 2 options where you'll take the CPD topic and look for complementary research that can add not things from the textbook, but things specific to current trends in the health industry. Or you can take the other topic would be health law research that would be helpful and apply to the design of our small businesses. 2 components then you've just got to do real briefly is give a description of your research, what, why, and how it applies, and then give a proper listing of that reference using APA style for the other 2 points. This way, everyone can use this research and go ahead and list it with their projects as we go forward. It's a sharing. Last thing you'll do is have an opportunity to ask questions there that we all can have some communication then with the course. Project 3, this is your first really written project that you'll submit. It's where you'll start to talk about your leadership vision for your business. It's 11% of your total grade. We'll start to use the TRI writing method there. And again, we'll get into the specifics of that, but real simple is this is where the research is important. The T is your position, what you want to do. The R is then you need to cite a reference to support that, a quality reference. And then last, you need to give a concrete illustration using I statements of how you'll do it. I will demonstrate how I'm going to lead by doing it this way. Project 4 then, the next written project will be then human resources development. You'll basically design your human resources department in your business. You can see now it's 14% of the total grade. So as I said, we're going to do what's called a scaffolding technique, where each project is part of that final piece, and then the weight of the grade will continue to increase because hopefully we'll continue to make improvements as we go through the course. Again, TRI must be used with this as we go. Again, what we're talking about is the hiring, your administrative orientation and training. Project 5 then is a business research and analysis report. This is real key and actually is a great one as we start to get later in the course, where you'll do benchmarking, where you'll look at 3 different businesses similar to your interest for your business design, and you'll learn a ton of what to do or maybe not what to do. Again, 16% of the total grade, so it's increasing here a little bit. What you'll do is you're going to do research on 3 different businesses, combinations, and there's 15 different business terms. So you'll demonstrate, the definitions of those, support that with a reference, and then you'll give an example of what you researched or learned through observing these 3 businesses. Once you've done that, then you're going to take and look at different ways you could apply what you learned through the research specifically to your business design. Project 6 then is the last one at the end of the course. Everything you've done to this point then is components of this. You can see it's 19% of your total grade. We're going to have 3 parts here to consist of. You'll use your human resources from your earlier project. You'll use then recruitment, retention, and profitability as part 2. And then part 3 is your operations, facility management, and evaluation. With all of the projects, there's a mechanics piece. So that is end up being part 4. Again, due last day of the class. But again, if you've done a good job learning, making improvements throughout the course with all the projects, this is just one way to finish with great success and have an actual business plan.